Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Patsy Fighter, and I'm so glad you joined me today for the kind of flip through of the MAMBI kit 12 by 12 pocket pages. So I already opened that, so let's see what's inside. So the first thing, it's all stuck down, sorry. So the first thing I see here are those gorgeous, I'm sorry for the sun, it's very bright today. So are those glittery, God, these are gorgeous, glittery stickers. Then we have some transparent stickers. I'm so scared that I will just rip the paper. No, okay, a bit. So these are the transparent ones, and I think this is called something like family because there's a lot of family themed things. So, and then there is this one. I'm not gonna do. I'm just sorry for the noise. Just going to take those, so because then I can take this. So there are some alphas and some word stickers and some more alphas. Put that aside, and this is the actual album. Just remove the box. There we go. So this green, I did not know that. Just open, and I think yes, there's a variety of pocket pages. There's always 4, 5, I don't know, a few of each. So that's cool. So there is the album. It's nice, it's very nice. So, and now let's quickly go through the journaling cards. So this is so cute. So these are all double-sided, or are they just okay? So they're kind of blank on one side. That's cool. Okay, so I'm very quickly going through them because otherwise we would be here forever. And again, I'm very sorry for the sun. We didn't realize we were making memories, we just knew we were having fun. That's cute. This is our happy place. My kind of day. Don't give up, I believe in you all. A person is a person, no matter how small. From Dr. Seuss. You can always count on family. Pretty pattern. Family favorites, sorry. Again. Happiness is that. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. That's nice, just as family. 2 of those. So that's the first pack. And then there's this one. And again, I think, yes. So, just go through them. I really like the bright colors. Ah, this is cute. I love my family. This is our happily ever after. That's cute. Family traditions. Happiness is this. What mom always said. Loved you then, love you still, always have, always will. Oh, that's so pretty. Small blessing. Today I'm thankful. It's a long saying. In this home we share, we laugh, we make mistakes and we apologize. We show gratitude, we give bear hugs. We work hard and we play hard too. We learn, we have fun, and sometimes we're really silly. But most of all, we love each other because we're family. It's so cute. Little things don't stay little for long. And there's this one, and these are some, okay, let's do those first. These are some specialty cards. Specialty, now I can say. Wow, those are so glittery. Holy, can you, wow, yeah. It's a lot of sparkle, and I'm having red glitter everywhere now. Yours, mine, and ours. This is super cute, and these are the foiled ones. Oh, these are cute. I love the color. Chevron, we had the time of our lives. Super pretty. Probably gonna hoard those forever. My kind of day. Ooh, this is a lot of pattern. Oops. Those polka dots, lots of polka dots. So yeah, and I think we are done. Yes, stay tuned for the next part or parts of flip throughs, and I probably will do a montage. I will see how long the videos are. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.